If you love peri peri chicken from Nando's, you are on the right place today. We are making Nando style peri peri chicken at home. In a blender, add onions, chili pepper, garlic cloves, salt, black pepper, brown sugar, paprika, fresh lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and after that olive oil. Few sprigs of fresh thyme, or you can use dried thyme. Now blend it together until smooth marinade. After, pat dry the chicken to remove any excess moisture. Cut the deep slashes, this is totally optional. Rub the marinade all over the chicken and leave it overnight. Save 1/4 marinade as well. Now roast at 175 Celsius in preheated oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, brush the marinade all over the chicken and grill for another 15 minutes. That's it. Serve hot and try. Thanks for watching. Follow for more recipes.